fact, if I'm for Abba, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, if I'm for Abba, is a hospital. On a patando look old woman, papa and mama. We don't want to call on a village. They don't have help. They will bring them here for free. Not only this place. Every if Evangelist Ebuka Obi know this place, in fact, only God will bless him. I'm telling you the truth. What I'm seeing here, all too much. Mando, mental problem. People may abandon. They will bring them here. They receive everything here for free. All these things from Evangelist Ebuka Obi. In fact, yes, what I'm seeing here, that is nothing. God will bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi for what I'm seeing here. I'm very, very happy what I'm seeing here. Open a gap and other place, all place people. You will see many mansions. The 4 houses all over to the poor.
Ndo mama na papa no na village enwele ko hafa omebi onwezo nge take care of them ha ga abia ba bilizie ebili o na take care of them aro ya afafa na another treatment free ha na eli nni free mo aka aba abu for the hospital man ndị enwele ego ndị enwele ko hafa they will be coming here and receiving free treatment man da we mental problem ha ga abia ba o na take care of them he bilizie ebili aba on take care of them. All those things is from Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I'm very happy to see Evangelist Ebuka Obi doing this thing in Igbo land. Free treatment, hospital I follow, but from the Obinye, and then will come have. In fact, God will bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Look at Ebuka Obi bonye na gwandi Igbo na taben na go develop weben na go. Look at Ihobia na aro. Free hospital. Come and receive your treatment. Then we'll come have. In fact, mbenga haichalaba wefu ife Evangelist Ebuka Obi na alo nso. Aye. Na Chineke gagozi onya. I'm telling the truth. Ihe flaba limono. The same thing come kwa Imo State yo. And oge eme this thing na 5 states dị na Igbo.
Mama and papa, you know na village we go have oge akpota five free. Ihe ni na bụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi na eme. This is what Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing in Igbo land. God will bless him. In fact, in fact, I'm telling the truth. When you come here, you can food a big but when you see it on phone, with the proud prayer, you can bless people. And he have Evangelist Ebuka Obi. In fact, God will bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi for all these good things he's doing in Igbo land. God will bless him. God will bless him so much. I'm very, very happy to see an Igbo man. In fact, I'm very, very, very happy. God will bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi for doing all these things. I'm telling the truth. Let me tell you this before I land up. All will end with mental problem. But upon their family chego, but then na psychiatric, but then we keep the most before no knows, but then we fulfill their mission, their assignment on earth. But because of there is no one in the family, there is no help. Now we get around, sit around one more. They will not even marry, they will not even have children. Their generation has been closed. But this place, those people, those people not going to see it. They will bringing them here. They will be coming here, receiving treatment free.
Otu akodekwa, Igana some villages right now, as I'm talking to you. Onwele some old mama and papa. Onwuzo ne take care of them. Nobody will take care of them. I'm telling you what is happening. Now, those people, Gabezaba, Bilizia, they will be taking care of them. Alo Yafa, Fana another treatment. On any fenni, Okodo. Look at what Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing in Igbo land. Imagine. Otu akodo kama ndo aradro poor people. Hagana abia. Na another treatment. Ndo we mental. Only jet fana akwali nilo. Onwere ike those people na akwali nilo. Onwere ike okpota ha ba. And we can also months or years. They will move out and go and fulfill their mission. And now husband nafa. They will be here until whatever and now. In fact, I'm very, very happy to see an Igbo man doing this thing in Igbo land. I'm very happy. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Chukwu ga-agọzi gị.